ndugakiriganirwo subscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now. Aini na mashabiki ni mashakaite ndeto ena kĩeha na ina ruo muno ireketie gutunga one of Kikuyu's top comedians and actor urema ureketie gukwirwo ni mutumia wake na no akorwo akiumbura ndeto ino kugerera nenda yake ya ukinyaniria na ona nginya aini matiganite ona no makorwo makingira nenda-ini yao na ukorwo magishare the sad news ma ira yatiga aingi manakia na ruo runene muno na makiumiriria family ino na comedian na actor uyu na njira ya mwanya muno na oho ndeto ingi itigite a Kenya na the entire Gikuyu fraternity na kĩeha ni ndeto ĩgiĩ Apostle John Paul. Yesterday Apostle uria kwa ihinda rĩrĩ mwena wa India, he went back for a check-up thutha wa results ciake gukorwo ikiuma na madagitari makiuga ni ubatara gucoka kwa tondu results tiari njega. And now yesterday Karango revealed that sadly Apostle John Paul nyarakorirwo lose eyesight na ritho rimwe, his left eye it stopped seeing yesterday, na ona nginya akirekereria mbica later on akionania Apostle John Paul nima ritho riake rimwe rikiritwo bandage nundu ucio ratiga aingi muno mahotetwo na makiigua ta mahinyiririka muno aria makoretwo marugamite na Apostle John Paul throughout his journey, na nginya marari na mwihoko ati ona rita riri acoka India ni egucoka na good news na no eguthio na mbere gukorwo akiigua wega, but gukorwo magikimwona riu ningi agite na thina ungi wa ritho nundu wa matiga mahinyiririkite muno makimuhoera kuhona kwa naihenya, na ona nginya Karango agikira mafans na a Kenya mathio na mbere kumuririkana na kumuiga mahoya-ini. Na to even more sad news, muthaki uikaine muno ta Ole Shomore wana muigwa makiact na mutheke njukano na awada huhu sadly kuri muthenya wa ira nyarakorirwo lose mutumia wake. Ole Shomore akiingira nenda-ini yake and shared the very painful news ma akiuga madaretikia ati his beloved wife has passed away na it seems she had been unwell tondu kuringana na ndumiriri yacoka kurekererio ni Muna Jomo nyakorwo agikumithia muno mugomo wa madagitari uria ukoretwo ugithie na mbere guku bururi-ini, akionania it's as if that is what has led to Ole Shomore's wife passing away kwa ukorwo ndaramukira urigiti tondu gutikire na madagitari thibitari-ini, na akiuga mani undu wina ruo muno na makimumiriria ihinda-ini riri iritu. It is a huge loss na our deepest condolences kuri Ole Shomore. Ngai aromuhe hinya ihinda-ini riri iritu. Pole sana once again